deaf or you're a liar. They thought I reached my peak, well I'm about to take it higher. I'm riding round in a clapped out commie, and I'ma be the motherfucking man till I retire. Anyway, it's a new day. Hate to sober me, so I've been drunk for like a few days. But I'm still calculating every step I move. Smart boy, strategic my tactics. Shout out to New Wave.
Well, boys, I don't know if you can bloody tell, but we are back at bloody QR for another bloody event. Holy heck! We're out here with a cursed RS3, 1,000 horsepower. Holy heck! Don't forget, boys, 90 a day does always keep that bloody pesky doctor away. Oh, bloody beautiful. Here we go, first race, boys. RS3, gotcha. Oh, not bad. Here goes Maddie and OGs. Whoa! Holy smokes! Oh my god, I've never seen an RS3 fully sideways. Holy bloody heck! Wowzers, boys! Holy! RS3. Easy dub. RS3 again. Got the dub. Alright, here's another one. Lining up the other RS3. Another race for Lenny in the new BMW S series, maybe. Well, stupid me, didn't read the requirements, so I'm not going to get a bloody passenger ride in the 1,000 horsepower RS3, unfortunately. You're meant to wear full longs and a bloody helmet, so I didn't bring that. So I'm stuck on the sidelines. Hopefully we'll get a 360 on another car as well. Maybe try and get a chop camera as well at some point, but yeah, bit unfortunate. Another race for Lenny boys. Holy heck, boys. What the hell is this thing? Sheesh. Boys, that would literally be the 6-month-old, maybe even a 7 or 8-month-old baby. Holy heck. Big block, of course. No doubt running a bit of nitrous on the old drag setup. Ratchet shifter. He's got the chute on today as well. Holy heck. Wowza. big sticky boys. Holy hecker. The old Mickey T's. Shout out to the boys. Bloody hell. Stay out of yourself, boys. Got a 360 on the old Cressida, boys. Holy hecker. Here we go. Here we go. Alright, here we go. Another race for Lenny and the racing against the G80. Easy dub. The 360 showdown, boys. Here we go. RS3 versus the Cressida. Is our Cressida versus a G80. Yeah! Holy heck! Here comes Paul S3 versus the Cressida. Whoa! Here we go, Cressida versus RS3. Holy heck!
Too soon, Junior.
Boys, well, bloody welcome back to Saturday bookings. Old Lenny Dog is in the house. 1,000 horsepower RS3 back at the shop. Holy hecker. Minor service for this bad boy. And as you've just seen before, we've got the headlight duct from Venturi going in as well. So, holy smokes. Absolutely mental, this car. As you would have seen from the bloody footage this morning, stupid me forgot my long pants and helmet. So yeah, essentially wasn't able to get in the car. But listed with JDY products, JDY manifold, IROS DSG breather, JDY intake, JDY turbo kit, JDY PCV delete, you can see there, JDY dipstick, and inside a whole heap of JDY goodies. Holy smokes. Whoosh, boys, well, Venturi carbon fiber air intake bloody done, minor service bloody done. No test drive for this one because Lenny's got no balls and doesn't let me drive it, but it's looking bloody good, boys. I'm happy. We've done enough of these now, we don't really need to test drive them. And then I wonder Wonder how long it's going to take him to realise. Got him. Bloody good, boys. Bloody good. Holy bloody hecker, boys. We are at another car meet. Not QR this time. Not our second home. But we are at Auto 1 Browns Plains for Endless Nights. Night meet. We've got old Len Dog's bloody 1,000 horsepower RS3 on display. Boss's 8Rs on display, which we're going to do some work tomorrow. So I'll show you that in a couple of seconds. And we've also got a bloody Subi right beside us that's copied the Rat with the old headlight duct. But we'll do a bit of a walk around, maybe even get the drone up, see what the weather's doing. She's a bit windy at the moment, but let's bloody get it, boys. Here's old Bossy Boy's 8R, not bad. The old whip for the weekend. How bloody good, boys. She needs a bloody wash there, Jeff. Needs a bloody good wash. And again, Mr. RS3 worldwide, a curse. 1,000 horsepower, boys. Holy heck. Unfortunately, we couldn't get him on VIP, but maybe next time we'll get this boy on bloody VIP. And this is that bloody Subi I was telling you about. It's about 350 kilowatts on a run-in tune. So, holy heck, it looks bloody clean. Full closed-door respray, the owner was telling us. Holy heck. And again, they've copied the Rat with the old headlight duct. Holy heck. Our first Golf Spotto, boys. Holy heck. Not bad, eh? Mark 7 GDI. Holy heck. Full blackout as well. Sheesh. We've got Mitch's GDR here. R32. Running the TESLs. Holy heck. Chromey lippy, boys. Not bad. I reckon it's silver 32. What do you reckon, boys? What do you reckon? That's pretty sick, boys. Maybe on rotor grids. Another Evo. Holy. Full custom front as well. Not your average Evo, that's for sure. Sheesh. S14 for the win. Slammed. S13 slammed. S14.5 slammed. Holy heck. That is sick. What a rad lineup. Old Lenny boys heading off. Hey mate, you've just got a headlight out. Old Lenny's off. Browns Plains for you, boys.
The next day.
Whoosh, boys. Well, Bossy Boys 8Ts is bloody in the house. Holy hecker. Full stage 2 from EcoTune. Holy smokes. Blaze performance intake, which we've done. DO88 charge pipes, which we've done. A DO88 intercooler, which we've also done. And I think who even installed these bloody wheels for me, I think he took a trip up from the Gold Coast to come in. But we also installed the red iBuck or eBuck, however you want to pronounce it, springs. So yeah, bloody good. So he's in for some H&R lowering springs, which are, I believe, a 35mm drop. So a little bit lower than what he's on. We've also sold these to another 8R owner, and he'll be booked in, I think, in March sometime. So a little bit further away, but that's all right. But bloody good. Sheesh. Bloody good, boys. Holy hecker. Lowering springs, bloody done. Should take a couple of days just to settle, and then it will drop a little bit. But looking pretty schmick. So yeah, lowering springs from H&R and a rear sway bar from Hard Race. So bloody good. Hopefully should handle a bit more better in the arse end, I reckon. But yeah, looking pretty schmicko. But as mentioned, it'll have to take a couple of days just to settle. But other than that, let's get the next customer in. Bloody good. It's that time of the day, boys. Make sure you're bloody staying hydrated. Make sure you're having a bloody money a day, because it is going to keep that pesky bloody doctor away. Oh, nice cold one as well. Strawberry Dreams. Oh. Oh. Let's get back into it. Finish these bloody cars off. Holy bloody heck. Alrighty, boys. Well, Mitchie's car is bloody here for the wheel bearing. We got the right one this time. Shout out Unique Auto Parts. Bloody good, boys. Holy hecker. But yeah, let's quit jibber jabbering and get into this. Facelift S3, 8V, of course. Full stocky boy. No anything. Wheels, springs, intake. She's all stock for now. But as I said, enough bloody jibber jabbering. And let's get into this bloody wheel bearing. Woo! Holy heck. Well, that's bloody done. Holy hecker. Not bad. Good for timing. But yeah, wheel bearing. Not too bad in the grand scheme of things. Obviously the wheel's off, calipers off, carrier is off, rotor's off, and we drop the hub. Get the 3 spline bit bolts, which are technically here, and yeah, put them all back in reverse order. She's bloody done. But you go for a test drive, make sure that noise is gone, and I think we're off to the tip. Well, we're going to pick up a couch first and then go to the tip. Oh, shout out to the in-laws.
Get slapped up by me, not low-key, high-key, I'm a sesh gremlin, bitch, come find me. I'm in the kitchen, wrist on shiny, 6 AM at the kick-on's likely, yeah, Levez.